my channel. So today I wanted to show you how to make this beautiful red raspberry tart, which looks and tastes so delightful. Perfect for that berry lover. Now let's get started.
Oh, 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 oh. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.
I'm starting off with the crust. This is 1/4 cups of sugar being added to my food processor, along with 1½ cups of flour. 1 egg yolk is being added, and 1 1/3 sticks of cold butter. For the last ingredient, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of ice water, and this crust could be done by hand by simply just crumbling up the butter in a bowl, but it's so simple with this food processor. Simply pulse it a few times until it forms the dough and it's ready. Now to make this tart, it could be done 2 ways. You could either press it onto your tart pan or roll it out and bake your tart on a sheet pan. Either way, this dough is so delectable and crispy, it makes an excellent rich crust. However you decide to assemble your tart, be sure to refrigerate it before adding all that filling to firm up all that butter for at least 10 to 15 minutes. I have here 450 grams of frozen raspberries. I'm going to be adding 1/2 cup of sugar and 3 tablespoons of cornstarch to thicken up all of those juices from the berries. I'm then adding 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, or in this case lime, and that's it for the filling. Give it a good mix to incorporate everything together, and I like to try one of the berries to make sure that it's perfect balance of sweet and tart. Sometimes the raspberries will be too sour because they're not quite ripened yet when picked, so give it a try and see how it tastes. Fill this into that chilled crust, and this is going to be baked in a preheated oven of 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes. Once the crust is nicely golden brown and the fruit has released all of its juices and firmed up a bit, you'll know that it's ready. This raspberry pastry is so sweet and tart, and it's crispy and buttery with that delectable crust. Serve this with some vanilla ice cream and everybody will not stop raving about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel because I post every other day and you don't want to miss out on all of my quick and easy recipes. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.